Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add friends on War Thunder's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To add friends on War Thunder, firstly go ahead and launch open your War Thunder application. The home page of War Thunder application will appear on the screen. Click on plus icon at the bottom of the page. On the next page, search for the person that you'd like to add, and from the search results, tap on the person. Now all you need to do is click on Add Friend option. This is how you can add friend on War Thunder's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.